Meaning of before. Before is used to refer to an earlier time, position, or order. It can be a preposition, conjunction, or adverb. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. I have seen this movie before. Adverb. 2. Finish your homework before dinner. Preposition. 3. She arrived before I did. Conjunction. 4. Please wash your hands before eating. 5. We met once before at the conference. 6. The train left before we reached the station. 7. I brush my teeth before going to bed. 8. Read the instructions before using the machine. 9. He stood before the judge. Also means, in front of. 10. Think carefully before you decide.